Hello, 8th graders. How are you guys? I hope everything is okay with you. As I told you, let's talk a little bit about our last class, slope and slope formula. It's simple. Attention over here to work a little bit on this. First thing, what is a rate of change? As I told you guys, remember the ratio. Rate of change is a ratio that shows how one variable changes with respect to another. One linear graph, this is called the slope of the line. Great. Remember, what is slope? Slope is written as a ratio of the vertical change rise to the horizontal change, the run. Remember the run. Great. Between any 2 points on a line. This remains constant. Okay. Any point I choose, this is the constant. The slope is the same. Any point I choose for any 2 points on the same line. Slope is written as a fraction. Great. In a simplest form. Great. It's the simplest form. You will find out what is it. Great. It is pretty simple to remember. Great, guys. This is the simplest form. And we choose a variable to be the slope. For me and for other teachers, many of them choose the variable called this m. M is the variable we choose it. Great. Let's go over. Remember, we have 4 types of slope. We have one is a positive because it's rising. Okay, it's increasing all the time. The other one is a negative because it's decreasing all the time. And we have the zero. The zero when we have this kind of when the line graph is parallel with the x-axis. I don't have any change of horizontal. Just keep the same all the time. And we have undefined. Undefined is parallel with the y-axis, and we haven't done any change in y. Okay, let's go ahead. Here to find the graph, it's pretty simple. We look for the rise and the run. As I taught you in the class, you remember the formula is m equals the first number. We have 2 points. The 4 points number 1, point number 2. Have y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Like this number 1 here. The point number 1 is here. The point number 2 is over there. Just choose it. The point number 1 is 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Point number 2, it is negative 2 and minus 2. As you can see, as you notice, guys, where is the formula again? Where is the y number 1? 5. Where is the y number 2? Negative 2. Remember to put the second number in parentheses to don't have any confusion with the negative already we have in the equation, the formula. And over the x number 1, 2, minus x number 2, negative 2. You solve it, pretty simple. 5 minus negative 2, it is negative times negative is positive. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 2, because negative positive. 2 plus 2, it is 4. The slope is 7 over 4. Guys, the other ones is I did in the classroom. Great. Here's the same idea, the same thing. Remember to check it out, the points, the position, where to solve it. Here, guys, we did in the classroom too, the slope formula. When I give you 2 points, what is the slope formula? As I told you, m equals y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Look for the exercise number 1. y1, y2, x1, x2. y1, 1. y2, 3. 1 minus 3. x1, 1. x2, 4. 1 minus 4. The result is negative 2 over negative 3. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. Right now, I rewrite this as 2 over 3. Great. Pretty simple. And as I told you guys, here's the result for the others. We did this in classroom, most part of this. And remember, Sometimes you must complete the ordered pairs using a given slope. How can I do it, Mr. Romeo? Is it simple to do it? Yes, I will show to you. It's pretty simple. Look at this one here. If the slope of the line is passing through the 2 points, point number 1 and point number 2, point number 1 is -5 and 6, and point number 2 is 5 and y, is -4/5. The slope is this one. Find y. Okay, I have all information I needed. I have, remember the formula, m equals y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Great, I have all the information here. Let's write the formula first. I have -5, y1 is 6, sorry, and y. It is m I know it's -4/5. My m is over here, -4 over, let's rewrite this other color. Maybe write for 6 minus y, because it's the first one. And remember the result already, I have it, -4/5 equals, and the second one, let's write this one guy here. It is the x value, -5 and 5. It is -5 minus 5. Great. Pretty simple. How to solve it, Mr. Romeo? How can I do it? Look, let's solve this using the equations as you know already. First, repeat this one. Solve the problem here. -5 minus 5 is -10. Just rewrite everything. I'm using red right now. -4/5 equals 6 minus y. The new thing here, I did it, was in green. It is right now -10. Right now, cross multiply. Remember, guys, cross multiply. Oh, mister, you need to cross multiply here. Yes, remember it. We did it a lot. Cross multiply. It is -4 times 10 equals 5 times 6 minus y. We did it already. -4 times 10, it is -40 equals, distribute, 5 times 6, 30, 5 times -5y. Great. Right now, move 30 by his opposite. It is a positive 30. -40 plus 30 is 10 positive. I write down here, guys. I have room here. 10 positive equals -5y's. Here, -5y's. I divide by -5. Divide by -5. Great. Divide by -5. I got here -5, which is 1 positive. And here it is -2. -2 equals y. This is the result I'm looking for. I know the number is missing here. It is the pair, ordered pair was missing. It is 5 and -2. Great, guys. This is the way to solve this kind of example. This is level 4. Look for the video to understand a little bit more. Great. To have more exercise here, you can do it. It is in the slide. If you want the key answer, email me. I send it to you. No problem. I have all the results solved. Great. And remember, as a ticket, what does slope mean? Slope is written as ratio. The vertical change rise to the horizontal change run between any 2 points on the line. Great, guys. Here's our class. I hope you learn a little bit more. Have a great day. Bye-bye.